Hi, my name is Terry Engel. I am the Assistant Director of Recruitment for Bodwell High School. Bodwell High School is located in North Vancouver in beautiful British Columbia, Canada. We are a boarding school that focuses on university preparation for international students. Bodwell High School is grade 8 to grade 12. As I say, we focus on university preparation. We have a unique mix of curriculums, which includes the IB Middle Years program, as well as the BC Diploma, the Dogwood Diploma, with AP options, and that's Advanced Placement Opportunities. Boarding, international, and universities. Everybody from all over the world is welcome at Bodwell anytime. Bodwell is a really good representation of what Canada is all about, and that's multicultural diversity, progression. Everybody, please, if you're not going to visit Vancouver, you're not going to just visit British Columbia, come to Bodwell High School. It's a great way for students to realize their dream of not only being educated in Canada, but also succeeding after graduation.